Hi there and welcome to Higher English, your go-to channel for mastering idioms, phrasal verbs, collocations and native-like expressions for business English. I'm Craig and today we're delving into the fascinating world of expressions featuring the word work. I'm on a short trip at the moment, and while I was waiting for my flight to depart, I found a space in the departure lounge, turned on my music app and tried to relax with a bit of music. By the wonders of the shuffle feature, A Hard Day's Night by the Beatles came on my playlist and I found myself lost in the moment. The song opens with the lyrics, "It's been a hard day's night and I've been working like a dog." The idiom work like a dog means to work really hard. Really hard. Now we have a 5-month-old border collie at home and I'm quite sure he's not aware of this concept just yet. I've put together a few expressions that involve the word work, and we'll also learn how to use them in a business context as well as their meaning. With all that being said, let's get started. Our first expression is all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. This saying suggests that people who only work are not that interesting. It's used to tell people to stop working or to give a reason why you've stopped. I know you're dedicated to your job, but remember, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Take some time off to relax and enjoy yourself. Our next expression, have one's work cut out for one. When you have your work cut out for you, it means you have a challenging task ahead. With the deadline fast approaching, we have our work cut out for us if we want to finish this project on time. Our next expression, nice work if you can get it. Use this expression to show that you envy someone's position and think they got it without having to work very hard. He gets paid to test luxury products. Nice work if you can get it. Moving on, we have to work all hours. We can define this as to work most of the time, especially outside the normal working hours of 9 till 5:30, for example. I'm determined to keep my job, so I'm willing to work all hours if necessary. Next on our list, to work it or to work something out. If you can work it out, you can find a solution to a difficult problem or situation. You can use something to show that you're looking for a solution. The situation seems complicated, but I'm sure we can work something out if we put our heads together. Were any of these expressions new for you? Have you used any of them at work? What other phrases or idioms would you like to know more about? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and if you felt this video helpful, please like and subscribe. In the meantime, take care and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.